Hi guys and welcome back to Learning with Shamit. In today's video I'm going to discuss about the layers of earth in geography. So let's start. So basically there are three layers of the earth: the crust, the mantle and the core. So first we will start with the crust. The crust is the uppermost layer of the lithosphere, as we know, and the crust is very thin with an average thickness of about just 35 kilometers. If we could think of an earth as an egg, for example, so the crust would be regarded as the shell. However, it is not uniformly thick at all places. So the surface of the crust is quite uneven, as you know, as it has different landforms, and we are also on the crust of the earth. So the highest point is 8,848 meters, that is the Mount Everest, and the deepest is the Mariana Trench of 11,000 meters or 11 kilometers. So now, as it is written here that the lowest temperature is 100 degrees Celsius and the maximum that the temperature can go, it is 600 degrees Celsius, and that temperature increases as much as 30 degrees Celsius for every kilometer locally in the upper part of the crust. Now the next topic is the mantle. So below the crust lies the mantle. It is about 2,900 kilometers thick. That is the constituent materials that are denser than those of the crust. So both the temperature and the density of the mantle increasing with the are increasing with the increasing depth towards the center of the earth. That is the core. So it has two parts: the upper mantle and the lower mantle. The upper mantle is about 670 kilometers thick, and the lower mantle is about 2200 kilometers thick. So the upper mantle is solid. Below the top layer is a low layer because of the high temperatures. So the soft layer within the upper mantle is called the atmosphere. So the lithosphere, which comprises of the crust and the hard uppermost part of the mantle, floats on the atmosphere. So the lower mantle is a solid layer starting at about 700 kilometers, and like the upper mantle, it is composed of rocks of uniform hardness. So now the third and the last layer, the core. So the innermost layer of earth is the core, and it is about 3,500 kilometers thick, and it is the densest layer. It is believed to be made up of heavy metals like iron and nickel. The temperatures are very high to melt all metals. However, the outer part of the core is molten and the innermost part is solid due to the pressure of all the layers above. The flow of molten iron in the outer core makes the earth behave like a huge magnet. So, as written in the picture, that it is very hot, the Earth's core is very hot, and the ball-shaped core lies beneath the cool crust, and that is a mostly solid mantle, and the core is found about 3,500 kilometer thick. It is below the Earth's surface, and it has a radius of around 3,485 kilometers, and if we calculate that in miles, so it will be 2,165 miles. So in this video I told you about the three layers, that are the crust, mantle and the core. So we understood all of them, and we also understood that what is the thickness, the average thickness of each layer, crust, mantle and core. And we also knew that how the where the crust is the best location of the crust and the mantle and the core also. So, and we also came to know about the atmosphere very nicely. The atmosphere is, as I told you before, that the soft layer within the upper mantle is the atmosphere. So thank you for watching this video. Please like the video and subscribe to the channel, and tell me what was your favorite part in the comment section. Thank you.